Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change vendor name in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the menu option on the left hand corner and you are going to select Products. After selecting Products, you are going to select the product that you would like to change the vendor name for. For example, this product right here. You are going to simply tap on it. Then you are going to scroll down until you see vendor, as you can see right here. Then you are going to tap in the vendor box and you are going to clear the current name and you are going to type in the new vendor name. Then select save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.